Okay, I'm using the salvage lumber, yellow pine, and we had a 12 foot, a little over 12 footer, and it had a weak spot when I was taking it apart. It was breaking, but I left it all in one. So finally, I broke it, and I was thinking, am I going to have enough for two on each side? And look at that, like no ways, perfect. Okay, so how's it looking over here? It's looking great and very solid. So the center one, I started putting that in. And this is really just to tie everything together. And that's what they were using for the 1 inch, which was a good idea for 1 inch especially. But still a good idea for 1.5 inches because it just makes everything stronger. So it's tying in the top with the bottom. Now I didn't start screwing the tops in yet because I wanted to figure out what I need. So I have to rip one at 2 inches. And I'll probably put that in here so that the outside one's a full 3.5 inch. So I can screw into here and here. And then we'll figure out what we're doing with the bottom one. But I'm just doing one step at a time. Okay, it's looking great. Very solid. So let's cut some more and probably do our rip. We have to rip one at 2 inches. So I think I'll do it with the hand, the skill saw, rather than go up on the table saw, which I really don't have set up right now. Okay, let's do it.